Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for my frittata, I've got a bunch of kale that I just sliced and wilted in a pan just with a little bit of oil. So I'm going to get that into and this is just a small baking dish. So get the kale in first, and if you want you can put some garlic in with the kale. I haven't today. Great, so we've got a bunch of kale, we've got 100 grams of walnuts here that I've roasted, so you can go in, you can use any nuts here, but I really do like walnuts with the goat's cheese. And then I've got 6 eggs and I've popped a pinch of salt in with them, and I've got a big bunch of chives from the garden here, and that's going to give our lovely oniony flavour. If you don't have chives, you could cook down an onion before you wilt the kale. But I really love the flavour of the chives, and it also makes it low FODMAP for my Irishman. So get the eggs in on top, and just kind of use your fork to squish it around so that the egg mixture goes everywhere. And I've lined this with baking paper just to make sure that it doesn't stick, because there's nothing worse than not being able to get your dinner out of the tray. And then we're going to finish with some slices of goat's cheese. I'll bury that one in. So this is just a nice plain goat's cheese. Great. And then we're just going to pop that in the oven that I've got preheated, so 200C, which is 400F, for about 14 minutes. Great, so when the frittatas had about 15 minutes in the oven, you can see the goat's cheese has gone nice and brown, or a little bit brown, and the egg is definitely cooked. So I'm just going to get that out and then serve it in slices, and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.